Hola a todos y bienvenidos. So welcome to another BS Games video. We're playing another classic social deduction game of One Night Ultimate Werewolf with 5 players. And I'm playing with these people. So I'm going to introduce you to our Queen Ice Princess, the ever wild Cardiff-Log, the charismatic Sheka, of course, the ever notorious Kill Uncle, and your boy from the bottoms, Rubino. And now I'm going to hand it over to Sandman. So if you want to know what will be our roles, then keep on watching. And the description is down below if you want to know more about it. So Sandman,
Okay, maraming salamat, Kilo. Yes, we are playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf with these 5 people for your benefit. And the werewolf, yung rules. May werewolf, mystic werewolf, apprentice seer, robber, witch, troublemaker, insomniac, and tanner. So may 3 nakatabi sa akin. Yung 5, ni-randomize ko na sa kanilang 5. Let us start the game, guys. Meet your mics, go to sleep.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Everyone wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
Everyone wake up. Ayan, old school one night's, well, may daybreak rules tayo. But still, One Night Ultimate Werewolf tayo. Simple lang to. Hindi naman super tagal. 6 minutes para may discussion time kayo. Ay, hindi. Fine. 6 minutes na sinabi ko. 6 minutes, catch at least 1 werewolf. Good luck.
Well, let's hear from
The robber first.
Sige.
good idea.
Who's the robber?
Okay, who did you rob, Ice Princess?
I robbed
You robbed who?
Kill Uncle.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Perfect.
What?
Let's vote na Ice Princess.
Bakit?
Perfect.
Why?
Kasi werewolf ako.
Uh-oh.
Ayun, tapos na. I'm the werewolf. So, Ice Princess is now the werewolf.
Wait,
There's
why
no
would
debate.
Ice Princess admit that she robbed Kill Uncle when she knows that Kill Uncle is a werewolf?
That's
Why would
right.
she admit that? Why would she out herself that easily, Kill Uncle? That's highly, Okay, let's keep that
Oo
on
nga, kasi malalaman ni Ice Princess yung role niya, bago
Yeah, she would have
After niya mag-rap.
if she knows that kind of information, she would have kept that to herself.
Mhm.
She would not say it out loud.
So how come, wait. So how come you believe Ice Princess is a robber and you believe that I am?
No, it's just kind of suspicious to me that she would say that
So-
she robbed you,
if you
knowing
believe-
that she's.
You cannot believe X if you believe in Y. So
No, I'm not
therefore,
saying that it's anything.
therefore,
I'm not
Ice
saying
Princess is not the robber and I am not the werewolf.
Okay, Tlog, Sheka, what are your roles?
Oh, bakit may ganun conclusion?
Mauna ka muna.
I know what I know.
Dapat siguro mauna next yung troublemaker.
Sige. I'm the troublemaker.
Mhm.
No, totoo. Wala ko kontra. Sige, walang kontra.
Uy,
Wala ko kontra. I'm the troublemaker. Pinagpalit ko.
aha, Kill Uncle. Aha.
Pinagpalit ko one of the ladies.
Mhm.
Real?
The question
Tinanong pa
is,
with it.
did
Malamang.
you
One of
switch
the gentlemen.
ladies? Wait, this is weird. Ice Princess said
Let's
that
vote.
Ice Princess said that Kill Uncle. Ice Princess said that she robbed Kill Uncle, and Kill Uncle is now saying that he's a troublemaker. When
Yeah, I asked Ice Princess what my role is, if she really did it. Ice
You're
Princess,
giving
what's
mixed
my role?
signals, Kill Uncle.
Honor.
Tanner?
Oh my God. Wait.
As the troublemaker,
Wala nang silbi kasi eh.
pinagpalit ko si Sheka with itlog. That's all I'll say.
Ginawa mo na rin yan dati eh. Tapos sa
You will see.
last 30 seconds.
You will see. Wala akong sasabihin in fact, that's all I'll say from now on. Kayo na mag-usap. Pinagpalit ko si Sheka and si itlog. That's all.
Okay, Shaq and Itlog, what are your roles?
guys.
Apprentice here.
And what card did you choose?
3.
And 3 is?
Troublemaker.
Ooh.
So,
Alam
that's it.
na.
Sige.
What
It's
about
okay,
you,
it's
Itlog?
okay.
What's your
Sheka,
role?
pinagpalit naman kita, so it's okay.
2 minutes left.
Pwede mo na ilaglag yung fellow werewolf.
I am the witch.
Interesting, Itlog.
Why?
What did you see as a witch?
Actually, nagulat ako kasi card 3 yung kinuha ko.
Oh my gosh. There are a lot of... Oh my God, you're all lying. Oh.
Card 3 kinuha ko, nilagay ko kay Skido.
Ito yung laro natin eh.
And what
Skido
card
not
is that?
lying.
Itlog?
Maling.
What card
Itong
is
part
that?
maniniwala ka sa akin, Skido.
What card is that?
Ayoko kasing manalo muna si Skido na siya yung
Okay,
panalo
you're
sa
lying.
kapan.
You're
Kasi-
lying.
Kasi
Itlog.
pag nanalo siya,
You're
tapos
lying.
talo ako, pipiliin niya ako mag-open next.
You're lying. Okay, Itlog is lying because I'm the witch.
So ano dapat
Itlog
gawin
is lying.
natin? So ano dapat?
You should reveal your rules. Kasi hindi na kayo yung mga rules na yun. For sure.
Eh, hindi. Para hindi
1 minute.
mag-open si Itlog, ano yung
I'm the
dapat
witch.
gawin?
I-vote out natin si Skido.
What?
Iboto si Skido.
Yes.
Okay, it's Itlog because I'm the witch. I woke up, I saw card number 3, and it's the insomnia.
Hindi Skido, ang goal na daw is italo ka. So,
Let's vote out Skido.
kasi
No, Itlog
para
is
hindi daw
lying.
mag-open si Itlog.
Skido, ganito
Para
yan.
hindi
If
kasi
we vote you
natin
out, you
lying.
still win.
Because like I saw card number 3. It's the
Skido,
insomnia.
believe me. If we
Card
vote
number
you
3
out,
pa rin.
you will
Tatlo
still
na tayo
win.
card number 4.
No, Itlog is lying. I'm the
Skido,
witch.
We are all
if you
lying.
get voted out, you will still win.
Bakit?
I'm villager. Lang ko.
You
Nasa
will
iyo
find
yung
out
color.
in 10 seconds. Why
Nasa
you
Ano
will
yung
Skido.
masarap
still
ka
win.
na,
Skido.
Skido?
I'm the witch. I saw insomnia and I gave it to myself.
No, you're not the witch. You're not the witch. We should vote you out.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, no,
No
it's
more discussions. 6-minute game. Mamaya na ako magko-comment. If you feel that both werewolf cards are with me, vote 0. Kailangan wala maka 2 votes. And again, regardless if you are or you feel that you're the tanner, you cannot vote for yourself. Paki-hold na lang yung votes nyo. Counting down 3, 2, 1 votes. Vote, hold it up. Vote, hold it up. Vote 5, 5. Okay, 5. Si Skido ang pinakamaraming votes. Okay.
Kasi sabi ni
Skido,
Kill
you're
out
dead.
ni
Skido, this is
Itlog.
good for you.
Skido, sorry na.
Ito
That's
muna
what it's
sasabihin ko. Sisimulan ko muna sa
Sorry,
mga
Lord.
cards.
Kaya lang.
Sa mga cards yung nasa middle
Abot
pile.
talaga ni Itlog yun. At saka ni Kill ang.
Card 1 was the robber. Card 2 was the tanner. And card 3 was the witch. Okay. At hindi nagalaw. Yun yung mga nasa middle pile. Doon pa lang sobrang nakagulat na. Di ba?
So,
Hindi nyo
Skido,
alam
you're the
yung
witch?
So, Skido was voted out. Skido started out as the insomniac. Alam to ni Ice Princess kasi Ice Princess was a mystic werewolf. Sinek niya si Skido. Alam niyang insomniac si Skido.
Kaya sabi ni Sheka.
Si Itlog was obviously hindi siya yung witch. Pero siya yung apprentice seer na nakita niya yung card 3.
Okay.
So, nakita niya na witch yung card 3. Therefore, hindi apprentice seer si Sheka. Hindi niya nakitang troublemaker yung card 3. Sheka was the other werewolf. Kill
Okay.
Uncle was the troublemaker. Pinagpalit niya ang card ni Sheka at ni
Itlog.
Skido Levine.
Ah!
No wonder I was the
Panalo
werewolf.
kami.
So, si Skido naging werewolf sa huli. Alam niya yon. nung nagising siya sa insomniac, panalo, na-vote out yung werewolf. In Skido Levino, good job, panalo si Itlog na apprentice seer, panalo si Kilangkol at Troublemaker, at nanalo si Sheka as the insomniac sa end ng game.
Am I guessed right?
job. Ang dami po as you...
Wala akong ma-receive talaga na message, no, na napaltan yung role.
No,
na
hindi hindi mo malalaman. So, hanggang sa huli, hindi binawi ni Kill Uncle na pinagpalit na si Sheka at saka si Itlog. Hindi niya binawi yan.
Pinapalit si Sheka at si Skido. That's it.
Yeah.
Kido.
Pero yeah, good job. Napakarami. We watch
I know
it.
Kill Uncle
Kita niyo lahat,
Ryan.
halos lahat nagsinungaling. Ang totoo lang doon is si Kill Uncle Troublemaker. Pero yung sinabi niyang pinagpalit, hindi rin totoo. Yun lang yata yung totoo sa buong episode niya.
Wow!
Yes, yun lang ang
0.5
yun lang
star.
yung totoo sa buong episode. Lahat sila nagsinungaling. Panoodin niyo ulit.
Internet, watch this video.
Yeah.
Lying is good.
I did
So,
not know.
even if Kill Uncle
Magaling si Uncle.
even if Kill Uncle has to tell you the truth, he'll only give you half the truth. Yun yung truth then. That's what happened. Anyway. Werewolf for werewolf. Team werewolf. Tingin sa camera. Team werewolf. Tingin sa camera. Kung mag-isa ka lang, then you could pick a card. 1, 2, or 3. Kung dalawa kayo, then pick well, sorry. Kung dalawa kayo, killing time. Alright. That is long enough. Tulog na kayo. Werewolf team. Werewolf team, go back. Let me now wake up specifically kung meron man. Mystic werewolf, tingin sa camera. Pick a player, sabihin yung role niya as of right now. As of right now, ang role na pinili mo ay ito. Go back to sleep, Mystic werewolf. Gising ka naman, apprentice seer. Wake up. Okay, pili ka ng card. 1, 2, or 3. Alright, that card is this one. Go back to sleep, apprentice seer. Which Troublemaker, wake up, Troublemaker. Alright, 2 people. Go, sino pong papalitin natin? This one and this one. Tama. Okay, noted. Go back to sleep, Troublemaker. Alright, after any Troublemaker, Insomniac, wake up. Okay, Insomniac, after everything na nangyari so far, as of right now, this is your card. Go back to sleep, Insomniac. And lastly, I'm now gonna wake up with that hand. So let us wrap the game up. Good Skiddo, even though you lost, you have to close the game. You were voted out. Now you're gonna close. Go ahead, Skiddo. Please close the game.
Okay, so that's another game of One Night Ultimate Werewolf with a dash of daybreak. The villagers won. Congrats, Sheka, Itlog, and Kill Uncle. So if you like that game and any of our social touch videos, what are you waiting for? Smash like button, click subscribe, and click on the notification bell as well. And if you wanted to join, send us a message on YouTube and on Facebook, and we play every weekend. And there's a Zoom link, and everything will be guided to you. Just message Sandman, we'll reply to you. So, goodbye, and see you in our next video. So, peace.
All right.